Is there going to be a stock market crash, and are companies overvalued? This from JP Morgan Asset Management. Regional profits, earnings means profits, and profit margins. And if you look at the profits per share for US tech companies, they're huge, and so is the consensus forecast. The profits per share, those companies are generating huge amounts of profitability. Now, that's very important for you to understand, because for as long as humans like profits, that is the underpinning of stock market share price rises. Now, you might say that profits can be manipulated. Yes, they can at the individual company level, but unless there's mass collusion amongst all companies, it's unlikely profits are going to be manipulated across the board. So there you've got profitability. How about generally for US companies? Well, the other companies are not that profitable, which is why when people say, oh, it's the Mag 7, the tech companies which are boosting the stock market rise. Yes, because they're the most profitable. The other companies are not participating in this. They'll catch up. Well, not necessarily. They're not participating because they don't happen to be tech companies. You know, the local grocery company is not necessarily going to do as well as an NVIDIA for this reason. If you look at the profit margins, and what we really want to look at are profit margins expanding. That's really critically important, because if profit margins are increasing, that's really quite captivating for us. And we put all of this into our program, into the Great Investments program for our clients, so they understand that we've actually done the hard work for them. We've a lot of work for other people to do. If you'd like us to do it for you, do go onto the program. But profit margins are actually increasing as well. Now, the reason that's important is because it creates more of a buffer, more of a moat. It's one of the critical factors you want to see if you want to see companies rising, or if you want to know you've got a resilient stock, okay, one which can weather downdrafts. And that's what you want in a pension. You want stocks which can weather that. So we look at all this data, we extract it from those companies, and then we use that extraction in order to find the kind of companies that we know we ought to be investing in. So save this for later. It's a great educational series that I'm doing, and also share and like it, because it'll then go to other people and help me build out the channel more, so I do more of this education. Thank you very much.